In this economy, no one can really renovate your home anymore. But with the power of AI, we can pretend to do this costly renovation. So I'll settle for that for now. Let me pull up this professional craft to show you how we're going to create this AI renovation video. We'll just need to use master prompt, generate reference image using Nano Banana.
You need to do this too.
Create background music using Suno and edit with CapCut. I'll use my trusted chatbot Gemini, no particular reason. Let it do the thinking. I'll just copy a video link from TikTok, hoping this chatbot can analyze it. And then, just carefully copy this prompt I borrowed from a legit source. Let's ping start. Never really know what are these. For now, let me choose something and read this. So, what we'll need to do is we need to create 4 reference image, the empty space, then the mid construction phase, the complete set but complete and fully furnished set. The empty space will be starting frame, and we'll try AI to animate it to image 2, beach construction. Then we'll use the image 2 as our next starting point to animate to image 3, same with image 4. It's kinda complicated, yes, but trust me, I tried it. Now let's go to Google Flow, then image. I'll be using this first image. I'll copy the prompt to create the first image, the empty space. So I'll be using portrait mode. I'll be posting it on TikTok, so we'll be using the portrait mode. Now let's see the miracle of AI. Seems kinda slow. I don't like it. I'll try to prompt it again. See? With all the data centers being built out, it's kinda still slow. This new one are not good as well. You know what? Let's go back with the first one. Just add it to the prompt and we will generate the second image with reference to the first image. This way, our output will stay consistent, hopefully. I'll just redo it for image 2, 3, and 4. Let me fast forward it for you. Now, time to generate the click video. Hit refresh for some reason. Again, for the aspect ratio, I'll choose portrait because I'll share it to TikTok. Also ensure that we use frames to video so that we can set the first image to animate the second image. This way, we have a better control on the video. Let me know in the comment if you want me to explore the other function. Also, it costs 20 credits for each past model generation. For quality model, it costs 100 credits. That might be a scam. Let's choose the cheapest. Let me just forward this. For a better vibe, I'll create a background video on Suno. I'll be using this prompt, choose instrumental, and then pick the best one. That's it. I'll just edit it on CapCut. On a perfect try, it will cost 180 credits on Veo 3 and 30 minutes to generate. But for me, it took me 240 credits and 3 hours of my life. Due to glitches, error, reprompt, bad luck, and maybe mistakes on my side. But anyways, here's the result. Not satisfied. 6 out of 10.